Are you tired of spending hours on tedious accounting tasks, only to find yourself buried under a mountain of paperwork? Well, you're not alone. With the rise of artificial intelligence, accounting and bookkeeping have never been easier or more efficient. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to use AI for accounting and bookkeeping, saving you time and stress in the process. First things first, let's talk about the tools you'll need. For this tutorial, we'll be using Xero, a leading accounting software that seamlessly integrates with AI-powered bookkeeping tools. Xero is user-friendly, scalable, and offers a range of features that make it perfect for businesses of all sizes. To get started, simply sign up for a Xero account and download the app on your device. Now, let's dive into the world of AI-powered bookkeeping. One of the most popular tools is Wave, an accounting and invoicing app that uses machine learning to automate tasks such as expense tracking, invoicing, and payment reminders.